In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. You'll be glad to know that WhatsApp released a new features. This is WhatsApp channel. So if you want to create a WhatsApp channel, first of all you have to update your WhatsApp and then go to your WhatsApp app and simply click on updates option. After that, click on plus icon. And this is very important thing, you have to download WhatsApp business app to create a WhatsApp channel. So at first go to Play Store or App Store and download WhatsApp business app and then log into your WhatsApp business. After login to your WhatsApp business and simply click on updates option. After that simply click on plus icon, and here you can see the same problem, find channel. Here is no option to create a new channel, so you have to wait to see a option name new channel. Whenever you available to create a WhatsApp channel, then you will be notified by WhatsApp. And here you can see a new option name is create new channel, and then you will be create a new channel, otherwise you cannot create a new channel.